Are you thinking about shopping on Weavelya.com in 2026? Before you hit buy now, let's talk about what's really going on with this online store. Because if there's one thing every smart shopper needs, it's the truth. I know. The deals on Weavelya look tempting. Stylish dresses, trendy accessories, all at prices that seem too good to be true. But here's the catch. As of early 2026, this shop has a reputation that should make you pause and think twice. First off, let's talk about what people are actually getting when they order. A ton of shoppers in 2025 and 2026 have shared that the items they received barely resemble what was advertised. Picture this. You order a gorgeous dress, but what arrives is poorly stitched, the wrong color, or made with cheap fabric that feels nothing like what you expected. That's a huge red flag. And if you're thinking, no problem, I'll just return it. Well, that's where the frustration really ramps up. Most customers say that getting a full refund is almost impossible. Instead, Weavelya usually offers a small partial refund, sometimes just 10 to 30% of what you paid, or store credit you're unlikely to use. The actual return process is a headache, and support? Let's just say, don't expect a quick reply. Shipping is another sore spot. Many items are shipped from China, so while you might expect your order in a week, it could take anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. And during that wait, updates from customer service are sketchy at best, if they reply at all. So, is Weavelya.com a scam? Technically, it's a real online store. You might get what you ordered, or you might get something totally different. But with the pattern of misleading pictures, poor quality, and tough return policies, it's definitely a high-risk site that's left a lot of customers feeling scammed. Here's what you can do if you're still keen to take the risk. 1. Always pay with a credit card or PayPal. That way, you have the power to file a chargeback if your order goes sideways. 2. Double-check the URL so you don't get fooled by a fake copycat site. 3. Look for real-world reviews on independent sites like Trustpilot, not just the glowing testimonials on Weavelya's own page. And 4. Read the fine print. Seriously. Their refund policy might lock you out of returns after just 14 days. Bottom line. If you're looking for a smooth and reliable shopping experience, Weavelya.com probably isn't it in 2026.